Why do I keep seeing the number 999?
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join miracle mentor and Alchemy life coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So many of you high flyers have been telling me and writing me that you're seeing the number 999 or a combination thereof, 99 or even 9. 9 is an interesting number. We'll explain that as we go along. But if you're seeing the number 999, this is the podcast for you because we're going to talk to you about the number as it relates to manifesting and as it relates to the law of attraction and creating the life that you truly desire and deserve to live. You deserve to be soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. First, I just want to take a moment to thank you so much for sharing this podcast on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, on all of these other places. We're seeing, I'm amazed. I see it pop up and I go, wow, somebody is sharing our message. And I believe that you and I have a powerful message. It's a message of personal freedom. It's a message of empowerment. It's a message of abundance and love and happiness and health and vitality and prosperity. So thank you so much for sharing. We appreciate it. Hey, be sure and subscribe too. Thank you. Okay, 999. It means, in most cases, that whatever you are... See, this is one of the problems I have with some numerologists. They just give you a general malaise type reading. And it doesn't work that way. The universe is speaking to you. The universe, as I've said many times on the podcast, it doesn't speak English or Japanese or Chinese. It speaks symbols and signs and coincidences and numbers. And each one of these have different meanings. So 999 means that, well, it's almost perfect. Your manifestation in whatever area that you're focused on right now is coming into perfection. And that's a wonderful thing. You see, manifestation has to work its way down. Think of it as kind of a water slide of numbers. It starts at 0 and comes to 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 9, where it begins again at 1. So think of this. If it has gone through all of that, it's coming into perfection. It's coming into completion. That's the key word. Now, you may not see that. You may not feel that yet. You may say, hey, Robert, I've still got a whole host full of struggles going on and challenges. But the universe is saying, look you're about to complete. You're about to manifest your desire. Oh, that's a good thing. Say it. I like manifesting my desires. So 999 is very powerful in that way. It represents Yesod on the Kabbalistic tree of life. And Yesod is ruled by the great angel Gabriel, but it is also ruled by the cherubim. And the cherubim are symbols of the four elements, of putting things into physical perspective. In other words, up till now, things have been in the area of thought and mind, but now it's coming into the area of you can touch it. You can feel it. You can see it. You can smell it. It's manifesting. And that's what 999 means. So it's Yesod, the planet of Yesod in the Kabbalah is the moon. And the moon is the closest source of light to the earth. Okay? It reflects the light of the sun. But the moon is much closer to us than the sun. So it's kind of the last stop of light before it hits the earth. So think of it this way. It's the last stop of creation, of co-creating. You are a co-creator of your reality. And this is wonderful news because your partner, the universe, is telling you, you've done a great job. You may not think so. You may not feel things are manifesting, but they are manifesting and they are coming to completion. That's a wonderful thing. 9 indicates wealth. It indicates abundance. It indicates prosperity. It indicates family. It's a wonderful number to have. And when it's multiplied by 999, it's even more powerful, more wealth, more abundance, more prosperity, greater happiness. You know, one of the meditations that I used to do years ago when I was struggling is I would lie in bed at night and I would just visualize the numbers 999 in my mind. I would see them over and over and over every night. And probably 6-8 months went by. And then all of a sudden I would see it on a license plate, or it would show up on a page number or somewhere else. And I was astonished because the things that I was working on, the things that I was trying to manifest, I was beyond the trying stage. It was happening. And it's happening for you now if you're seeing the number 999.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.
This is the #1 podcast on personal empowerment, success, and the law of attraction. You're listening to the Miracle Mentor of Light, Robert Zink.
So 999 indicates that while you are manifesting, you need to go for bigger dreams. In other words, this is kind of, I don't want to say it's coming to an end, but what it means is that it's coming to a completion and it's time to dream bigger. So if you have built a 10-foot rowboat, it's time now to build a 50-foot yacht. Okay? Get yourself to planning that, because the rowboat is going to be built, it'll be done, and then you need to immediately allow your partner in the universe, you to work on together to build something even bigger, to create something even stronger. And this is where you become inspired to be in the spirit, to be filled with energy. So you might see 999 in combination with 1111, for example, which is a new beginning. Okay? Because one is completion and one is a new beginning. Oh, it feels good because you are manifesting. You are creating. You are codifying. You're gluing loose ends together in your life. And it's absolutely wonderful. Completion opens up new doors to new dreams and goals. So after this has been completed, after it's fully manifested, whatever it is that you are focused on, whatever your intention is, what's coming after that? What next? That's what I want you to think about. Because as long as you are alive, as long as you have breath in your body, you are a manifester in the physical plane. And this is your time. This is your destiny. So Hey, congratulations if you are seeing the number 999. Want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching by visiting us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. You are special. You are wonderful. You are a high flyer. Thanks for subscribing and sharing. You have a great day now because you deserve it. Bye-bye.